Are you ready to take control of your tasks and boost your productivity? ClickUp is the game-changing tool that can transform your workflow in just minutes. With its intuitive features, you'll streamline collaboration and stay organized effortlessly. Unlock your potential today and experience the difference ClickUp can make. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use ClickUp.com. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into ClickUp.com. This is the home page as you can see. So ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that helps teams and individuals organize tasks and manage workflows. It features task management, time tracking, goal setting, and document sharing, all in one platform. With customizable views and automation options, ClickUp enhances collaboration and boosts productivity. It's designed for users of all industries and team sizes, making project management seamless and efficient. Alright, so now let's just come back to the top and you will find here the button of get started. It's absolutely for free. Also, we have here in the top right how you can sign up. If you already have an account, you have just to click over log in and write your email address and your password, then you'll log in. Also, we have here the pricing. Let's discover the pricing of this platform. We have here four packages. The first one it's absolutely for free, and by the way it's for personal use. And the key features we have here: 100 megabyte storage, limited tasks, unlimited free plan members, two-factor authentication, collaborative documents, whiteboards, everything view, real-time chat, Kanban parts. Then we have sprint management, calendar view, custom file manager basic, in application video recording. Then we have support 1.4, right? Then we have here the second package, and then we have here unlimited, best for small teams, and you have to pay $7 per month. Then we have here business for mid-sized teams, and you have to pay $12 per month. Then we have the last one, which is enterprise, best for many large teams, and you have to just contact sales to know the price, right? You have just run out to read these key features and you get started and you choose the one you think it's more comfortable for you. Alright, so you have just to choose the package that you want and you click over here. So after choosing, for example, this package, you will find the option of linking your payment information like TIN number, and you have to pay it and you get started with this package. But for free, you have just to click over sign up, and if you already have an account, you click over login. You can just click over free forever, or you can just come back to the home page and you will find here get started. It's absolutely for free, and you'll find other page after clicking off sign up, and you have just to write your email address and you click over next. Then you find other page, which is this one. You can use one of these options, the first one which is Google, or you can choose the second option, which is this one, and you have just to add your name, your work email, your password. Then you click reply with ClickUp and you will find other page, which is this one. With this one you have just to answer for these questions. Like the first one we have, what would you like to use ClickUp for? I will select, for example, personal. How many people will you be working with? Just me. Then we have what would you like to manage, HR coaching. We have how did you hear about us? I will select Facebook and Instagram. Then we have here to use any of this to do. I will select, for example, to-do list, and I will click over next. Then we have here which features are you interested in. I'll select, for example, calendar, workload, chat, and then I will just write also scheduling and goals also. Then I will click over next and you will find the last one or the last questions. What would you like to? I will just write the name of your my company and the organization. For example, right here, for example, this one, and you will click over finish, and you will find the dashboard, and here we have it, or the homepage of ClickUp. So after creating an account on ClickUp, the first step is to set up your workspace by inviting team members and customizing settings to fit your needs. Next, you have just to create a project by adding folders and lists to organize tasks effectively. And then you have to add tasks within those lists, assigning due dates, priorities, and label for better tracking. Then utilize view like calendar to visualize your work, or Kanban or Can't. Finally, explore automation options and integration with other applications to enhance collaboration and streamline your workflow. So let's start discovering this platform to know more. And for example, we have here the home page, you have here recent agenda, we have my work, you can just add tasks or reminder. Then we have it assigned to me, So we have the option of add task. Once you click over add tasks, you will find this page. You have to add your name, task, or type. Then you can add description. You can also use write with AI. Then you select here the day, and we have here if you want to create new file, and you click over create task. All right. Then we have also here other option, which is inbox. In the inbox, you will find here the emails or the message that you receive here, and also you will have the option of documents, and you will find it like that. Yeah, just to click over plus here in the right, or you can just click over create documents in the top right. All right. So once you click over create documents, you will find the other page, which is this one. You can also make it here like that. So you have just to add your title. You start writing, you can use the option of blank wiki, write with AI if you want, add about, add new, for example, table, column, ClickUp list, super page, and also we have here AI tool popular, for example, improve writing, generate template, write an email, summarize, table with data, blog post as well, right? Then you have just to click over share if you want, and also in the right you will find here the font of how you like it, if it's sans serif, mono, and about the size, if it's small, normal, large, page width, you can choose default, full. Then we have here option of summarize, writer, and ask AI. Then we have here cover image, page title and icon, subtitle. Then if you want owner, contributor, date updated, sticky table of contents, and the various things, right? And also you can just click over the button share if you want. Then if you come back here, we have also the option of dashboard. If you want to just add dashboard, you have just to select the one you want. You can also select new dashboard, or you can just click over here plus, and you add or you choose a dashboard template. So for example, you can choose simple dashboard, team reporting, time tracking, project management, client portal, and you can just click over start from scratch, and you choose the feature that you want. For example, depending to the task list, workload by status, calculation, time reporting, portfolio, tasks by assigning. Then we have text, discussion, bookmarks, overview. You can just select the one you want. Then we have here dependent to custom, sprint, status, tags, assign. You can just choose the one you want. It's absolutely for free. Alright. Then we have here the option of clips. If you want to add recording, you can just click over start recording, and you record whatever you want, and you can just save it and you share it if you want. Then we have your timesheets as well for add tasks, and as you can see, then we have here more for example document, dashboard, whiteboards, clips, calls, or timesheets. And if you scroll down, you'll find here other options, like if you want to create space, you have just to click over here and you add the name and icon, then description, then you click over continue and you get started. All right. Also we have here view all spaces, project notes, project 1, project 2, select the project here and you get started, and you select if you want list, document, from whiteboard or folder, and you get started with space or everything here. All right, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.